Hey friends, I'm Catherine, and today I want to share with you a trick I just learned about making little tassels. So we're going to make this tassel with thread. Please ignore the bird noises. He insists on standing on me at this moment, so we're gonna get on with it. The trick is to use a fork and wind your thread around the fork. Line your raw end up with one side of it and wind your thread around it, and we will make a tassel with thread in this way. So we'll just do this a whole bunch. Just keep doing it until we've got a good wrap of thread built up. This might take a little bit of time. Just have patience, keep wrapping. Go. There we go. Okay, and then we can take and wrap the cuff with our gray thread. Until we make a nice cuff for it. Something that we like. It's big enough to add some color, but not so big that it's overtaking the rest of the tassel. Hey, do not chew on that. That's probably good. Then we can trim that thread. I shouldn't use paper scissors for that, but that's what I'm doing. And then tie it off. And tie it off again. And maybe a third time, just to make sure everything stays where I want it to. And then trim these extras. There we go, like that. And that is a little tiny tassel. If you've got extra tails sticking out, you can trim those off. And then what I want to do is take and put it on a little jump ring. So I've got a jump ring over here. That's actually might even be bigger than I want, but we'll figure it out. So I want to just slide that jump ring through the loops on the end of, on this end. And there we go. Okay, so that makes a tiny, tiny tassel with a fork and some thread. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely let me know. I'm always happy to hear from you, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.